Okay, that one goes on this eye. Hey guys, it's me, Sylvia. Adam, back with another video. That was his idea.
I'm gonna be copying her makeup.
Exactly.
Just like the last time I was here, I copied it from the video.
So let's blend that out using the Expert Concealer brush.
Where's the Expert Concealer?
Oh, you're coming in full force, Adam. You're fully taking over my channel. That whole intro was his idea. So we have my little brother, Adam, here. He is 7 years old. He's been on my channel a few times. Make sure you catch up and watch the other videos we've done together. But today, we are gonna get Adam to follow along and copy step by step my makeup routine. We're gonna do a full face, and most importantly, we are gonna be using my very own makeup palette for our eyeshadow. Are you excited?
Hell yeah!
Whoa. Don't use bad words. Thank you so much. But before we get started, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. They should subscribe, right, Adam?
Yeah.
Of course, hit the little red button, and while you're at it, turn my notifications on. Adam also made a channel, so make sure you go down to the link in the description and subscribe to him because he's an amazing sport, and we gotta show him some love for being in our videos, right?
Yeah. It makes me more popular than my sister.
You wish, buddy. You're never gonna be more popular than me. You know how cool I am? My palette is available right now to purchase. It'll be linked in the description down below, so make sure you go and
cop it.
Listen to Adam. You don't want to miss out. We're gonna show you how good it is when we put it in our eyes later in the video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Transition.
Okay, first step of the makeup routine. Adam, do you remember what it is? You've done a few of these makeup videos with me. You should know by now.
First step is this thingy.
No, but nice try. We're coming to that. First step is primer. So for primer, I wanted to pick something I thought you might think is cool. It's this Unicorn Essence Skin Serum. Made from unicorns, Adam. It's pink and sparkly. You ready?
Yeah!
So I'm gonna do everything first, and then you copy me how I do it, okay? So I'm gonna drip some drips of this on my face.
And then you make yourself a unicorn, okay?
And I'm gonna transform into a unicorn. Your turn, here, you do it. You gotta squeeze out from the little tube.
I think first you went here.
Drip it the other way. You hold it down, and then you squeeze the little handle, and you put it all over your face. Some on your cheek. Nice. Okay, now rub it around. Can we give you a headband? Oh, yeah. Adamia. We're gonna call you Adamia the rest of the video with that headband. Looking real good. Can you show everyone your teeth, Adam? Oh yeah.
I have no teeth.
When I was your age, I lost both my front teeth too. We would have been twins. Okay, are you done yet? 10 years later. Okay, what's next step?
Bronzer?
No. Nice try.
Wait.
Come on,
give me
Adam.
the first thing.
Starts with an F.
Fudge?
Foundation!
Oh, foundation!
So for foundation, I picked something very special because I know you're a bougie boy.
Gucci.
Did you know Gucci has makeup?
Never.
Get your beauty blender. I gave you a miniature one just because you're miniature. You get some, I get some.
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, put it all over your face. Get to it, bro.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Keep going. Look how fast I'm going. You can't beat me.
Well, guess what? I'm done.
Put it down your neck. You're almost done because I'm finishing up here.
I'm gonna put some on my neck, on my chest, on my butt.
On your butt. You want to show them what sweaters we're wearing? Is it the special S Club sweaters? Sweaters. Get your merch now. Roses on the sleeve, looking super cute.
Rosie.
Oh, yeah, check it out.
Rosie.
Bam, bam, bam. For the very affordable price of $39.95, you too can wear the S Club hoodies. Adam, show them how the hood works. Oh yeah, so cute. Look, you can even hide away in it.
Are we moving on to the next thingy now?
Yes, what's next? Concealer.
Concealer? Oh,
For concealer, we have the Magic Away liquid concealer. This stuff is supposed to be magic. It's supposed to cover up all your dark circles. I'm gonna put some underneath my eyes.
You're gonna put some in your nose?
A little bit on my nose. Yeah, you're right. It's under my forehead.
In your
right
nose.
there. And on my chin. Copy me.
Okay, so I think you went like under your eye. I think you put a bit on your forehead, like a line on your nose.
Yeah, good job.
And then a bit over here to give yourself a mustache.
You're doing pretty good. Now, I'm blending it out with my beauty sponge. So grab your beauty sponge and work away. Tap, tap, tap. Pat it in nice and softly. Oh, or hard. That's fine too. You're getting good at this.
Ow!
Oh my god, not so hard. You're falling behind. I'm done already.
Oh, guess what?
What?
I'm done too.
Next up is
What does it rhyme with?
brows.
Brows.
So for brows, you're gonna use the Shape and Shade brow tint. Here you go, it's like this little liquid pen. Okay, now watch me very closely, Adam.
Heart S Club.
Wow, beautiful drawing, Adam. If I could put it on the fridge, I would. Okay, follow me. Go very lightly and we're gonna make little hairs. Wherever we need a little bit more filling in, just use little flicks. Fill in your brows.
Do you go up or like sideways?
Just on top of your brow hairs.
Tickles.
Oh, nice. You're doing a good job. Try and stay on your hairs. It's like drawing inside the lines. And you do it for both brows.
I already did both brows.
Oh my god, you're so quick. Adam, next up, we have to blend it out so then it doesn't look like we put anything in our brows.
It's called blender.
Yeah, here you go. Take the blender and just lightly brush it over top of your brow hairs. Good job. Brush them out. Oh, you have nice long brow hairs. Let's see your brows. Do a little show. Beautiful. Next. Adam, what's next? You're already holding it in your hand, shoving it on your face.
This thing.
What is that?
It's Laura Mercier.
We're gonna use the Laura Mercier to set our under eye.
Oh, translucent.
Translucent. Yeah.
I knew it.
Good boy. So we're gonna take our sponge and dip it into the powder. Now go like this, right underneath your eye where we put that concealer.
Yeah.
You tap it and put the powder on top.
Like this?
Yeah, you're very gentle. You're doing a good job. The focus right now, loving it. I think you need a little more powder, don't you?
I guess so. This is a lot of powder.
Oh, there you go. I think you're good.
Put it under my
You got to get it right up to the under part, Adam, right to the inner corner. Look up and do it.
I can't see it.
Bro, open your eyes. Not like you're possessed. Killed it. Nice. So we're going to leave that there to set so we don't get any creasing and it's not going to move, okay? Put the leftover powder all over your face.
Okay.
Nice. All right, Adam, next step, we're gonna prime our eyeballs before we put in the eyeshadow. So this is MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. All right, so now follow along. You're gonna have to put it all over your eyelid.
Okay.
Good job. Focusing so hard, I love it. Now that we've left our powder on for a little while, we can brush it off. So just take that brush and lightly dust all that away.
Oh, there's a bunch on my nose. Oh, it's in my eye.
Ah, don't rub off your eyebrows. There you go, lightly dust away, lightly dust. Are you even watching me? Why am I even here? Let me help you. Quick little dust, dust, dust.
Done.
Next up, we're gonna do the stuff that you've been waiting for this whole time. What is it?
Bronzer.
We're gonna use the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer because it's literally as big as... Because it's as big as your face and you just hit it with your head. Bless you. Okay, so follow along. I'm gonna take this, rub it in, the product, and then I'm putting this on my cheeks really lightly, going back and forth, dusting it on. Nice. There you go. Do both cheeks. There you go. Put it around your forehead. You're gonna give ourselves a tan. That's what this does. Makes you nice and brown. I mean, you're a little aggressive. I would soften up your technique a little bit. Okay, it's fine. There you go. Good job.
Yay. Actually, I think I know which is the next one we're gonna use.
Which one?
Da, 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 da.
That's it.
More
That's what we're
Gucci.
gonna use. Yep.
What's Gucci?
What's Gucci? I brought out all the Gucci for you because I know
Gucci?
you love
Gucci?
Gucci. So now we're gonna do blush. We've got the Gucci blush. Just because you want to use this brush, we'll use it. So because it's a very bright pink, we're gonna go very softly first. We're gonna do a light layer because we don't want too much color. We just want it to look like we're blushing, like we're flirting with a girl, you know? And they're making us nervous. Has that ever happened to you, Adam?
No.
Do you like any girls at school?
No.
Here you go, your turn. Dust it off, that's too much. There you go. Now go very lightly, soft. Nice. Killing it.
Ring around the rosy, happy on the rosy, we all fall down.
So yours definitely looks better than mine. I think I went kind of crazy with it. Okay, the next step, Adam, is highlight. And you know, my palette does have 2 highlights in it. Which one do you want to use? Libra or Opal? This one has more glitter in it.
I want to use Bear.
That is not a good highlight shade. Bear is a brown matte shade. We can use
Bear
that for
is
our eyes.
me.
Okay, we're mixing both Libra and Opal. Now take that, Adam, and you're gonna want to dust that right on top of your cheekbone. You feel where your bone is right here? That's where you're gonna want to put
Oh
it.
yeah, I feel it.
Right there.
Ow.
Don't punch yourself. And you see how it gives you a little bit of a sparkle
Yeah, it's really cool.
when the light hits? Ooh, look at that, Adam. We're blinding them. People are gonna need their sunglasses to look at us. Isn't it the best highlight you've ever used?
Yeah, but you know what I like more?
It's because it's your sister's. She made it. That's
But
fine.
you know what I like more?
What?
Bear.
Did you put it on both your cheeks?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good job. Put it right here too. Looks like I have a mustache. So now I'm just blending it all together with my beauty blender.
Are we done?
Wow.
I'm bored.
So now we're moving on to eyes. We're gonna get to use my eyeshadow palette. Woohoo. Let's go in with the shade. What's the shade?
Channel.
Dip your brush, dust it off. Now take that and put it right above your crease. You know where your eye folds there? Just wing it at them, you know, at this point. You're not done yet. Did you even do both eyes?
bit weird.
You know we're gonna ask everybody to judge us who did better, me or you, and the winner is gonna get a lifetime supply of chocolate. So you better try hard right now, because it looks like I'm winning if you ask me.
Wait, give me more.
You go back and forth, dust it really nicely so it's blended and you can see the color.
Done.
Okay, good job. You're a lot faster than I am, I will say that much.
Mm.
So you're gonna have to give me a minute. Clearly I'm not as experienced as you, and I need a little bit more time to apply this shade.
I'm 7 years old.
And?
You're like 20 million.
What are you trying to say?
I don't know.
I'm 20 million?
Yeah.
That's very offensive.
You have wrinkles on your face. What? Oh my god.
I love you. I'm sorry. Adam. So the next step, we're gonna use Independent, this purple shade. Now we're going on a smaller blending brush, and we're gonna go in with that shade. Now put that right into the fold of your eye, right underneath the channel. Good job.
Am I done?
I think you need to apply a little more. It should look like this. Does yours look like this yet? I don't think so. Wow. Isn't these the nicest shadows you've ever used in your life, Adam?
Better than other eyeshadows I've ever used.
Oh yeah, you heard it here, folks. Greatest eyeshadows Adam's ever put on his eyes. Adam, give them a nice review.
I'm done. I'm beating you. I have a big tongue. What's taking you so long?
This takes patience, bro.
Well, clearly mine is way better than yours.
Okay, Adam, next step, we are gonna go ahead and use Wild Child, the purple shimmery shade. Spraying our brushes so they're nice and wet.
I got that on my nose.
Now dip into Wild Child. Now put that all over your lid. Woohoo! Purple and pretty.
Is mine good?
Yep, looking good. You're gonna have to cover your whole eyelid though, buddy.
Oh.
You're not done yet. Nice job.
This looks stupid.
Last step for your eyeshadow, Adam, we're gonna use Prince. We're gonna even make our brushes wet again to make it super intense. Wow, look at that. Is that not the most blinding inner corner highlight you've ever seen, Adam?
Well, I'm done,
Prince?
but it is.
Okay, next up is mascara. Adam, I have a special mascara for you. It has my name on it, just so that you can see how cool your sister really is.
Your name is Marc Jacobs?
No, that's the wrong side, buddy. It's right here. Can you put this on your lashes?
It's very black.
Yes. Do you remember what mascara is supposed to do?
It's supposed to break your eyeballs off.
No. It's supposed to make your lashes nice
Supposed
and
to make
thick.
you blind? Well, I'm not good at this. Yo, sis.
Yo, bro.
Guess what?
What?
I'm done.
Okay, so now, Adam, we're gonna put on some fake eyelashes because it's really gonna take your look to the next level. Are you ready for this? You don't like fake eyelashes?
I'm gonna have to put glue on my eyeball.
Okay, that one goes on this eye.
I did it! Oh my god, I actually did it!
Good job.
Yay!
Adam took initiative and went in for the eyelash and just ran away. You gave yourself a unibrow. That's not how you do it. Look, this is how you do it. You put one lash right above your natural lash line.
Let me try again. I'm gonna do it with my hands.
Good job. You're focusing. Get it right on
I
your
did it!
Good job.
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty good.
Can I go show mom?
Yeah, go show her. Here, other eye now. Oh, close your lashes. Lower, lower, lower. Props
Oh
it.
yeah.
Nice, bro. So now for Lips Bare, let's do Hey Girl lipstick from Dose of Colors. It's a nice nude. Watch, I'm gonna just apply it all over my lips. While you do that, I'm gonna apply some lip liner. Focus. Good job. Stay on your lips, okay? Try your best to stay on your lips. How's it going over there?
Done.
Nice. Killing it. I think we should put some gloss on top. Okay, now let's put some gloss on top for the final touch. Make them nice and shiny. Look at, watch how I'm applying it.
Look at this lid.
We lost him, you guys. You know, he stopped paying attention like when we finished our face makeup. Okay, here, your turn.
Oh, okay.
See, now my lips are nice and glossy. Who's your favorite YouTuber?
You.
Aw, good answer. I think you have enough on now. Butthole lips, why are you keeping them like that? Last up we're gonna use is some setting spray. Adam, this is gonna lock
And
all
it's
the
called
makeup.
Urban Behavior.
It's from Urban Decay. You're gonna spray this all
Urban
over your
Behavior.
face to lock it into place and make sure our makeup lasts all day long. Your turn.
Ah, it smells so good.
Your turn. Not so close. Not so close. He's too weak to spray it. He's using his whole body. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, Adam, this is the final look. So let's show the people. Come on, do the little poses like I do in my videos to show off the makeup. Ooh. Ah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ah. Look down. Show them your eyes. Look at your eyeballs.
Ooh.
All right, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Adam copied every single step. Now I want you guys to be the judge. Who do you think did better, me or Adam? Honestly, Adam's complexion looks pretty good. Look at his foundation. It's super blended out. Don't forget to go check out Adam's channel. The link will be in the description. Show him some love. Subscribe to him because he's going to be the next big YouTuber. Isn't that right?
Yeah, better than you.
The shade. It's so rude. Don't forget, my palette is available right now. I am following you guys, reposting you guys. So if you're copying the palette, make sure you're tagging me in all of your posts. I can't wait to see the looks that you guys create with it. We finally played with the purples in the palette, did a little purple moment here. So the link will be in the description for that. And that is the end of the video. Make sure you click this button to subscribe and then watch these other videos of mine if you haven't seen it yet. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
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 See you later.
See you later, alligator.